In this video, I'll show you how to connect your OKX account to TradingView. So first, what you need to do is have both OKX and TradingView open on your computer and make sure you're already logged into your OKX account before starting. Once you're logged in, go over to TradingView. Click the three lines in the top left corner, then go to Markets. From here, select Crypto, then click on Overview to load the crypto market overview. Next, use the search bar and set it to Crypto. If it's not already set by default, switch it, then search for OKX. Under all sources, you'll find OKX listed. Select it and then choose the trading pair you want. For example, I'll pick BTC to USDT. Click it and the chart will open. Now we need to connect OKX to TradingView. Scroll to the bottom and click on Trading Panel. Here, you'll see a list of brokers. Look for OKX and click it. You'll then have the option to connect with either a live or demo account. If you want to trade for real, choose live, then click connect. You'll be redirected to OKX where you'll authorize the connection. Since you're already logged in, this will be quick. After authorization, you'll see OKX listed on the left side of TradingView with a green circle showing it's connected. From here, click trade to view your positions, orders, and history. At the top right corner, you'll also have the option to place trades including market and limit orders, and you can choose to buy or sell. That's all it takes to connect OKX with TradingView and start trading pairs like BTC to USDT directly through the platform. Thanks for watching.